Hello there, it's Andrew from Webbers, and today I'm at Inny Vale Holiday Village, a small complex of holiday homes a few miles from the North Cornish coastline. And I'm here to show you this 3-bedroom purpose-built lodge which has a wonderful enclosed garden, high quality fitments throughout. It's absolutely perfect for those looking for a second home or indeed an investment opportunity. So let's go and have a look at some of the features of this property. So for more information on this wonderful property, please contact Webbers on 01566 77 6211. Thank you.